So listen, if you have potatoes that you bought from the store and they start to sprout like this, if they start to sprout like this, do you know what that means? That means these are ready to grow. You can put this in dirt, and in a few short weeks, this is what you'll have. This is a potato plant. This is what happens when you put potatoes in dirt. This thing is even sprouting flowers. You can grow your own food, people. Grow your own food. Here's another one. This is in 5-gallon grow bags. These are potatoes growing in grow bags. In a few weeks, they will be ready, and I will grab some potatoes out of here. Start growing your own food, people. It is not as hard as you think.